If you spend any time researching the available TV mounts in the market, you've probably noticed one common trait: the color. That's why we developed a range of mounts with a white finish, catering to those who want their TV and mount to blend in with the room, giving their setup a contemporary minimalistic look. So if you're looking for a full motion mount that directs your eye to the TV and blends in with your decor with a low contrast finish, do we have something unique for you? Let's take a closer look at what our specialty line of mounts has to offer. Our white finish TV mounts feature a durable powder coat finish and polished steel hardware to provide a minimal and premium aesthetic that will blend into your space. We also include a white cable sleeve to cover your power or AV cables, so you won't need to buy new ones to match your neutral aesthetic. These unique mounts don't compromise on features either. Their full motion capability ensures you'll be able to place your TV in the best viewing position possible while providing cable management clips and white leg bolt covers for a professional looking viewing area. Multiple single stud options like the M300W and PS300W provide a quick and easy install for your TV while giving you full motion features to ensure your TV can be viewed from multiple angles. If you have a larger TV and you're looking for more extension, we've got you covered there too. The PDX650W and PDX680W are the perfect dual stud solution for mounting your large TV. We even have a ceiling mount solution available in white. Our CM600W is designed to install onto flat or angled ceilings, and the white finish allows it to seamlessly blend into your space, making it look like your TV is floating. These white TV mounts can be utilized in nearly any situation. Mounting your TV in your living room or home theater setup is a breeze, and the white finish will complement your space, giving it a premium feel. Kanto's lineup of white TV mounts offer all the great features of a normal TV mount, but with a premium look. Whether you need a single stud, dual stud, or even a ceiling mount, we've got a solution to your mounting needs. Match your room aesthetic and achieve that minimalistic look with Kanto's white TV mounts. Check out these and more of our TV mounting solutions at kantomount.com.